Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my 2K celebration. And we're starting off with 1500 because I have well past 1500, and this is going to be a series of several videos, and I'm not quite sure when it's going to end. I definitely want to be over 2000 by the time I start choosing winners. But today we are going to have our 1500 subscriber celebration in this series of our 2K celebration. Now let me tell you, I want to thank each and every one of you. I especially need to thank Laura Wooten, my daughter. She has two channels, Laura Wooten Unboxing and Laura Wooten. She actually got me into this, and she encouraged me, she sure did, and then I encouraged her, I sure did, and then I decided that I would start unboxing a few things, and she has helped me all along the way. She does a lot of studying into YouTube, and she's just very helpful, and I love her, and thank you very much, Laura. I just want to give a special shout out to her for helping me with my channel, and if it wasn't for her, I would have never started a YouTube channel, because my intention of doing the YouTube videos was to help her market and help her grow by doing collabs and different things like that. So I'm very excited to have reached 1500 and have passed that, and we're on to 1K. But my giveaway for the 1500 celebration during our 2K celebration is gonna be a box of hugs. And guys, there's just lots of little things in here, and I'm going to go through it with you real quickly. This is a spa box, and of course you're going to get some masks, and we're going to have the Perlice, one of my favorites, coconut and rice, very nourishing for your face. We're going to have the Hello Mama Kama, and it says looks at me, and this has vitamin C, I think, and aspirin, and it's very hydrating. It says it's a brightening lift up perfect fit mask, and it really is a perfect fit mask. You're going to get one of my very favorites, and this is a Korean snail honey jelly mask that I just used recently. I love it. I think I'm almost out of those. You're going to get some Emasis eye gel, the golden eye patches. You're going to get a jade roller. You're going to get a and it has a mirror contour palette. You're going to get a sending you a big hugs, and this is 100% natural soy candle. Oh, and it smells so relaxing, and I'm not sure what scent it is. It says a hug in a jar. This is just so very cute. You're going to get some Empower Her cuticle oil. You're going to get the Taha Affair Devotion perfume. You're going to get a lipstick from Estee Lauder, and this is in red, very beautiful. You're going to get the gold infused eliminator, so you're getting a little makeup with your spa treatment, so do your spa and then put your makeup on. You're going to get this strawberry raspberry bath salt. You're going to get 3 bath bombs, and I don't know what scents they're in, but we have pink, cream, and blue. You're going to get a sponge jelly, and this is Edelweiss. Everybody loves a sponge jelly. You're going to get a bar of Camille soap, and this is Sending Hugs, and it smells so good. You're going to get an Estee Lauder eye palette with these colors, and it's got a mirror on it. Let me see if I can cover it up. This is a pretty much it's a neutral and a little bit of glamour. So you've got a purple, a blue, and a light blue, and some pinks and the white. This would make a beautiful color story, and you have a blush. Very nice. It is called the Estee Lauder Candy Glam palette, just so you want to know. And if you didn't notice, it matches the lipstick. And you're going to get a Pixie toner, and then I have another couple of masks in here for you. You're going to get the cucumber mask, and you're going to get the charcoal mask, and I'm sharing these out from Dee Dee with Wilma for you, or Wilma to you. she sent me several masks and said I could share them out. So I'm going to share a couple out to you guys. And that is this giveaway. What do you have to do to enter? You have to be 18 years or older. You have to be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, and you need to use a code word. And because I've called this the box of hugs, I'm going to ask you to use the word hugs in this giveaway. And this giveaway is going to be lasting, I want to say, into September, but when I get done with my series, I'll be sure to let you know when they're finishing up. So it'll be open for a little while because it is the first one that I'm doing. But this is my celebration on to 2K, the 1500 giveaway that y'all are probably wondering what happened to me. And if I can fit anything else into this, in which I probably can, I'll be sending you extra things if I can get it in there. But that is my giveaway. Let me know what you think. I hope you all will join in on the fun of the series. And right now, I know for certain there's going to be 4 videos, and this is the first one. So we're going to be doing 1500, 1700, and 50, and then we're going to be at 2K by then, maybe over, and there'll be 2 or 3 or 4 prizes in that one last video. But you'll just have to come back and see. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet. But anyways, that is my giveaway for the first part of the series. I want to thank each and every one of you again. I could not have done this without your help and support. You've been sharing me out. Oh, and speaking of sharing, if you'll share me out to your family and friends, I will give you an extra entry. So you will have to let me know that you've done that, and you would have to let me know where so I can see it. But I would love for y'all to share me out to help me get over that 2,000 mark. And again, we're going to have some more prizes, lots of chances to win and to celebrate the 2K for Miss Jackie Russell. I just really love all of y'all, and I appreciate you so much. Okay guys, that's all I have for this little box of hugs 1500 subscriber giveaway. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.